Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my roasted chicken with my butter garlic roasted potatoes. So now let's get started. For this recipe I'm going to be using the soft chicken. So guys, I've washed and packed dry the chicken. Now to marinate this guy, I'm going to be using some lemon juice. I'll add in some olive oil, and here I have some salt with chicken seasoning, some grinded garlic with black pepper, and here I have some turmeric with curry powder, thyme and dry parsley. And now I'm going to add in some chili pepper. Then I will give it a quick mix to combine. So after mixing, I'm going to bat this guy with this mixture. Massaging it with your hand, you want to make sure you get every spices both in and out of the chicken. Then I will cover with a plastic wrap. Place it in the fridge and leave it to marinate for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I'm going to take off the plastic wrap. Then I will transfer the chicken into a baking dish. So I'm going to place some onion inside the chicken. Then I will cover with a foil paper. Place it in the oven and leave it to bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven and bake it with the potatoes. So guys, here are the potatoes I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and peel all these potatoes. Then I will wash the potatoes. So now I'm going to cut them into quarters. So now we are done with the cutting. I'm going to go ahead and marinate this potato. So here I have some butter. I'll be adding in some minced garlic, and here I have some chili pepper, curry powders, chicken seasoning with salt, and here's some thyme and dry parsley. So guys, I'm going to place this in the microwave to melt. Then I will give it a quick mix. Now I will pour everything into the potatoes. Then make sure to mix until they are well combined. And I'm going to add in some chopped onion. Just give it a quick mix and set aside. So here I have another bowl. I'm just going to add in some honey. Now I'll be adding in some olive oil, some ketchup. Then I will mix to combine. Now it's been 40 minutes since the chicken has been in the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and bring the chicken out of the oven. So I've just added in some chili pepper into the honey mixture. Then I will mix and set aside. And now I will place in my baking tray. So guys, here is the chicken. At this point, it's not a roast. I've just cooked the chicken. So now I will place the chicken on the baking tray. Then I will brush the honey mixture on the chicken. This is going to give the chicken this beautiful look. So now I'm going to place the potatoes beside the chicken. So now it's time to bake this, guys. I'm going to place this in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, here it is. My beautiful roasted chicken with my garlic butter roasted potatoes. Look at how beautiful they are looking. So beautiful, and they're so delicious, so yummy. The spices in this dish, the garlic, the butter, all the spices make this dish a wonderful dish. Why not try this? Go ahead and try it. I promise you, you are going to love it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Just hit on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share and also leave a comment. I'll be seeing you in my next video.